Yo, what up? Damn. It's your boy 25. Out here. Snowy day. Snowstorm 2016. I'm a little sick. Excuse me. But just having fun with the kids, enjoying life. Putting this mixtape together. Start previewing songs in about 2 weeks. We got the beats. We got everything else. So we putting shit together now.
Swim.
Shout out to everybody that's helped me putting this shit together. And shout out to all the dick riders that didn't want to help. The dick motherfuckers. Alright? Y'all be good. I'm just letting y'all niggas know we out here. In the city, man. Ain't nothing stopping us, boy. Ain't nothing stopping us.